remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you do not leave your personal belongings behind. Be cautious when opening the overhead bins, as heavy items may have moved during the flight. If you require assistance, please remain in your seat until all other passengers have deplaned. Thank you for flying Cebu Pacific.
Nagbilangkan. Cute kayo yung ano. Ayun eh. Ano na ako yung lulu. Sure na.
Yes. Finally, we're going to Bali.
Hi, Bali.
Yay!
Halos yun, nawala na yung mga vlog.
Ito naman.
Kusupin dagan ba? Nakuhaan din siya.
Hi everyone, Cebu Pacific Air welcomes you to Muraray International Airport in Bali, Indonesia. The local time is 8:15 in the morning and the ground temperature is at 28 degrees Celsius. For your safety and comfort, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt sign. Please check your surroundings to ensure you don't leave any of your personal belongings behind. Mangyari po lamang na manatiling nakaupo at may matanggal ang ilaw ng fast seatbelt sign bago tumayo para kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan. Nais din namin ipaalam sa inyo na ang paggamit ng palikuran sa mga sandaling ito ay mahigpit na pinagbabawal. Maraming salamat po. On behalf of your entire Cebu Pacific team, head of our flight crew, Captain Empito, and First Officer Valeros, together with your cabin crew, we thank you for making Cebu Pacific a part of important moments. It was truly a pleasure having you all on board, and we do hope to fly you to more fun in the future. Once again, thank you everyone for flying Cebu Pacific.
Your cabin crew will stand up momentarily to do a safety-related procedure. Please remain seated.
For our guests, within Fund the Infant's life test will be collected after disembarkation. For safety reasons, leave the infant's life vest inside a seat pocket and be reminded that unauthorized removal of the life vests you may dispose of this in the bin near the exit. Please seek your cooperation ensuring that no litter is left inside the aircraft. Thank you. Thank you for waiting. It's now safe to stand and get your bags. Maaari na pong tumayo upang kunin ang inyong mga kagamitan.
Dari cara kayak kuan. Nah, mengjawab, oke man gila manupun.